In this OnlyPrompts review, I'm going to be showing you a software in which you could be boosting your productivity with the help of these prompts. Before I jump into the tutorial, let's have a look at what AppSumo has got to say. And if you want to get OnlyPrompts from AppSumo, you can click the first link in the description. You basically get a lifetime deal. So it has got almost 37,000 tasks and almost 150,000 AI prompts that can help you boost your productivity. And it has got a lot of reviews in AppSumo. So it's a quite popular app and it has launched recently. It's getting a lot of traction as well. So it's best for marketers, small businesses, virtual assistants. You can do integration with GPT-4 and OpenAI. Then you could streamline your task easily, use across all major AI models. Then you could compare prompts side by side. You can refine prompts. You can make custom folders for all the prompts that you made. So there are quite a lot of features that you can go and check it out. And also talking about the plan, they have got like 3 plans. So the first plan is $59 and second plan and $118 and $177. And the thing that differs is that the AI credit, so rest everything it's the same features. So the first plan has got 3,000 and the second one has got 10,000. Then the third plan has got unlimited, so it's monthly credits. Okay guys, so 3,000 credits monthly. So you don't really need a lot of credits, to be honest. For most people, I feel like the plan one would be great, but it really depends on who you are. I'm going to tell you guys how much these credits are worth in the tutorial. So let's jump into the tutorial. And this is the dashboard of OnlyPrompts. So you have some recommendation that they already give you, so you can have a look at that. So these are the recommendation they already give you, but if you want to filter it by your choice, you can filter it by here. So suppose you are from the marketing industry or operation, you could go with it. So they have got a bunch of industry, so you don't have to worry if your industry is not in the list, because they have basically got all the industry. So you can see makeup tutorial, student engagement, technical writing. Then you have translations, game design, level design, character design, basically any feature, even finance, accounting, sales, marketing, operation, pretty much all of the, even purchasing, production, facility management. Any industry you're from, you could go with it. So for the sake of the video, I'm going to go with operations, and let me show you how this exactly works. So when I clicked operation, they are now showing me 354 results. So let me just go into the roles, and let me say if I am a store manager, or maybe let's see if there is anything else. Okay, I'll go with the store manager and let's see what I get. So there is only like 17 results right now, so let's just go with it. So you could create the Shopify FAQ content, you can write Shopify landing page copy, and you could update Shopify store policies. It's pretty easy to get the content. So let me just show you the FAQ content and how it's done. So what you have to do is, basically the prompts are already given. So you have product categories, you have common customer questions, then store policy, shipping details, return and refund policies. So you have all of these things which you need to edit manually. But for the sake of the video, OnlyPrompts have given us example. So suppose your product category is on gym equipment, or maybe some weight loss equipment or anything like that. You could type in that manually. But for the sake of the video, they have given me some example on how the input should be written. So I'm going to just copy paste, and I'm going to paste it here. So first you have to click it once, and then you have to right click and basically paste it. And let's do that in all of it. So next one is common customer questions. So if you have common customer questions in your business, you could manually type in that, and you could easily get this. Now the store policy also, if you have maybe a 15-day or 90-day return policy, you could manually type in all of that. But for the sake of the video, I'm just showing how everything works. So you have to type in once, and then you have to right click. So we have now the shipping details. Okay, now last is the refund, then I'm going to show you. So the last one, refund, so you have to click it once, then you have to right click, and then you have to paste. So as you saw, I have typed in all the inputs of the prompts. Now let me show you how the output is run. So you have quite a lot of chat gpt is there, cloud 3 IQ, cloud 3.5 IQ. You could be using any of the AI chatbots to generate the output. So basically DAL-E also there, which is a great AI tool, but it costs around 30 credits. So based on what you want, you could go with it. You even have cloud 3.5 sonnet, so let's go with that. And I'm going to run this. So the prompt, the results come here. So as you can see, OnlyPrompts have generated me the FAQ of Shopify. So they are telling the product information, what product category do you offer. So they have the orders and payment information. They have the shipping information, returns and exchange information, store policies, then customer support. So basically they have created like a very like really good FAQ. So if you want to do the same, you could do that with the help of this OnlyPrompts. And also there is FAQ content generation. So this is if you want a content type FAQ, you could go with this. So this is like little different. It's just the question and answer. So this is going to be more like the output is going to be like this. So if you want it like this, you could go ahead and use the content generation. Then if you want an engaging Shopify FAQ creation, you could go with this as well. So you could type in the inputs whatever you want, and based on that they are going to create the output. So this is basically an example of the output that has been created from the input. So this is going to be the output you are going to be getting. And also the FAQ specialist, so this is going to be a bit more professional. So you can type in the store name, target audience, key products, comment, customer question, desired tone, and with all of that you could be getting an FAQ section like this as well. So this is probably the basic FAQ, but it really depends on what you want. So if you want this, you can go with this. So anything you can go with that. Now let's go back and try something else as well. So suppose I'm going to reset the operation, and let me reset. Okay, now let me set it on maybe marketing. Okay, let's see what marketing can give me. And the role, let's go with the role. TikTok, social media. Okay, let me say I'm a digital marketing manager. So let's go with that. And it has gone down to only 14 searches. So you don't have to just go with the industry and interest, because the results have come down to 14. So you can just manually look at it. So you can optimize search engine ranking, create data-driven content, marketing plans, predict customer behavior. You can automate social media content scheduling. You can generate personalized email marketing campaign. So let me show you how you could create an email marketing campaign. So again guys, it's actually the same thing. So basically it's same. So if you want to generate an email campaign or maybe a personalized email campaign, you have to first select the audience segment, then the product or service or campaign goal, and personalization element, call to action. So the input is given here and this is the output that has been generated. So this is just an example OnlyPrompts is giving you. So if you have an audience segment, just as I've shown you in the previous prompt, you have to just click once and then you have to copy paste your audience segment, then product or service, and based on that you could be creating a professional email. And also if you want tailored email campaigns, you can do that as well. And you have to type in your target audience, campaign goal, product or service, email tone, and as an email campaign specialist also you could be doing that. So based on the prompts, you could just filter it, edit it, and you can do. So no matter what industry you're from, almost everything is going to be here. So let me reset marketing and reset. Okay, now let's go to something else and just let me show you how everything works. Okay, now let's go to digital advertising and see what all results I'm getting. So I've got 8 results. So let's just see what all I get. I can generate catchy email subjects, enhance search engine optimization, and I can analyze customer sentiments data for digital advertising, analyze market trend data. Then I can generate target email campaigns, analyze customer review data, optimize ad targeting strategies, analyze competitor marketing strategy. So I've got quite a few of the things that I could be doing. So if you are into SEO and you want to probably make the SEO better, it's just the same thing, guys. You could type in the competitor's website first of all, and the primary keywords, then the target audience, then the current SEO strategy. So you can see an example of the inputs that they are giving, and based on that you can customize into your specific input and type in. And what you have to do is go with any of the any of the AI tools, and you could probably go with DALL-E if you want and just run it. I don't think I can run it. Okay, I can basically run it, but I haven't typed in any of the any of the input properly. So you have to type in the competitor's website, primary keywords, and all of that. So it has still generated me even though I didn't put it. So you can see that it has created me an amazing SEO strategy. You can analyze competitors website, develop a list of primary keywords, assess current SEO strategies. You have to manually type in all of this in order to get the right output, guys. So now let's go back, and you have SEO strategy enhancement, then you have SEO visibility boost plan, and all of that. Even the digital SEO strategist, you can get all of that. So no matter which department you're from, you could be probably getting everything here. So special education, visual mechanism, music composition, storyboarding, even you have trading and execution. So that's a big niche. I feel like, so let me cut the digital advertising and just go with. So I've got 8 results, so I can adapt to changing market dynamics quickly, report trading performance to stakeholders, manage risk exposure portfolio, resolve trade discrepancy errors, monitor and manage liquidity in inventory. So there are so let me just see what's this. So you have to type in the trading period, the key metric, the performance highlight, and stakeholder concern. So this is like a input that they have given. So based on this input, you can manually type in all of that, and you can use any of the AI tools and basically run. So that's how OnlyPrompts work. I really hope you guys understood how this works. Okay, and also guys, suppose if you want to save all of your prompts, what you have to do is you have to add a folder, and create a new folder and basically type in whatever you want, and you can save it as a new folder. Oh no, I have to take it first and then I have to select it and then apply. So that's how you save the folder, and you can see it has came out here, and all of your recent tasks are also going to be shown here. So that's basically how everything works. And also there is prompt optimizer. Here you can basically ask AI anything that you want, and based on that AI is going to respond to your queries or questions. So that's it for OnlyPrompts review. I have basically gone into everything. It's not possible for me to go to each and every department, but almost all departments are covered. Whatever industry you're from, even the medicine industry is there. So based on where you're from, even portfolio management, based on what industry you're from, you could probably and easily find your industry, and you could create certain outputs with the help of these prompts. So that's basically it for this video of OnlyPrompts. Now if you want to get OnlyPrompts, guys, make sure you click the first link in the description. I'm going to get a small affiliate commission, but that's how I grow my channel. So I would really appreciate it if you get it from my link. So that's basically it, and I hope to see you on another review video. Take care.